So this is my first delivery from Libra Moon Market. I'm in a D-box. I don't know. We'll see if I can D-box properly. Let's see. I guess I really need a knife. Let's see. It's a new fresh food delivery service. Ooh, Jennifer. Nice. It even has my name. How fun. This yummy thing in here. Oh, Libra Moon, what is it? Spices? Oh, this looks good. Like salt and, oh, what is that? Oh, that looks yummy. I'm gonna use that today. Okay. Pita bread. Oh, nice. Oh, I love pita bread. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. What's this one? Ooh, those look like figs. Figs. I wonder if figs need to be refrigerated. How fun. So this is Libra Moon Market. Oh, dang. Look at this. How fun. Oh, look at those yummy tomatoes. What else is this? How fun. It's like a surprise what I'm going to get. How cool. Oh, there's another tomato down there. What's this? Oh, pears. Oh, pears. This is farm fresh. Farm fresh stuff. Nice. Oh, what's this one? This one is organic kale. Oh, I'm gonna be eating good tonight. Let's see, maybe this afternoon. Ooh, carrots, look. Carrots for Easter time. Ooh, look at the stalks. Oh, that's cool. Look at this, how fun. Organic carrots. How fun. Nice. Ooh, more organic kale. So we have kale. This is different. Oh, this is cool. This is from Lakeside Organic Farms. What's this one from? Oh, okay, that one's cool. That one's from Beachside Farms. Lemons. Cool. The lemons were from Country Love Farms. And we have another pair. Oh, this is cool. Look how fun all this stuff is. Ooh, celery. Celery. Ooh, onions. Yummy oven. Onions. Nice. Another onion. Oh, lemons. Oh, look how cool these lemons are. Look at that one. That's awesome. Oh, look at these. Oh, I wonder what these are. Oh, this is cool. Let's see. This is cool. Oh, a pineapple. Ooh, I love the surprise. A potato? I think that's a potato. Let's see. There's another potato. Okay. Some garlic. Oh, yeah. I love to cook with garlic. Oh, what's this one? Oh, this is fun. Cilantro. Oh, yeah. I was looking for some cilantro and they didn't have it in Bonds the other day. Oh, this is cool. Look how fun this is. Ooh, ginger. Fresh ginger. Oh, look at this. Dang. I love this in a pineapple. This is awesome. Oh, this is cool. Look at all this yummy stuff. Oh, yeah. Look how good that is. So this is the first deboxing I've ever done of anything. Look at those carrots. That's so cool. Oh, that's nice. What a nice, like, surprise fresh fruits and vegetables. Nice little combination here. Yeah, my one of my old students, Danny Tashrudian, he has a new company doing this, and it's awesome. It's very awesome. I love this. Good. I love just everything. Libra Moon, that's the name. Libra Moon Markets, with their own little special spices. And now I gotta look what's in the envelope. Let's see what is in the envelope. Okay, here we go. Take this out. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Isn't that the truth? I've been eating so healthy here with coronavirus. With a combination of dried products and fresh produce, our boxes are created to nourish the soul and help one find balance. Through the box, we hope to educate our community on the mental and physical benefits of nutrition so people can tune in with their higher selves. Libra Moon Markets. Oh, that's awesome. How fun. Okay. So here we go. One more picture. And then signing off. The only thing that with my picture, I have to twist it. So sorry, people watching the video. Oh, very cool. Can't wait to break some of this stuff out. Fry this up. The oranges, gosh, the onions, I think some onions, a lemon, some of this sauce, some garlic, oh, some kale. I could even fry some of that kale up. Yeah, some eggs. I have some eggs. Oh, this is good. Yummy cilantro. Okay, so off to cook.